Hi everyone, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So friends, it's been long time and many of you are asking me about a strategy for working people which is very safe, which requires very less amount of your time. And today I have come out with a very safe and a good strategy. Mind you, this strategy is not a intraday strategy. It's a swing trading strategy. By swing, what I mean is that you take position today and then you need to exit only after 1 week or might be after 2 weeks or might be after 1 month based on the expiry which you're selecting. So initially to start off, I would say you can start off with the monthly expiry so that you will know the trade, you'll know how to place your trades, you'll know how to do the adjustments, slowly learn the game, and then you can start moving into bi-weekly and then you can start moving to weekly. Okay, friends. So without wasting much time, let us get into the trade and I'll show you the setup, how it has to be done, and also I'll teach you the adjustments. Please wait till the end. And the most important thing is don't forget to press the like and the subscribe button. It will really motivate me to bring you to come out with more and more good videos. So for explaining, I have just taken the stock mock website. It's a very good platform for backtesting. So you can trade both in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So what I am doing now is I am doing pair trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty, as we all know that the movement is very slow. So we'll be using Nifty for a sideways movement to catch the sideways movement. And then we will be catching hold of Bank Nifty for getting the directions. So this is how we are going to plan the pair trading. Okay, now coming to Nifty. So what are we going to do in Nifty? What we're doing is simple thing. I'll just show you starting example from the Jan expiry so that you can test it out in any expiries. Okay, and I'm taking the month end expiry. Mind you, the monthly expiry. Start off with the monthly expiry, it's always safe. Now we are going to do a simple calendar in a monthly expiry in Nifty to catch the sideways movement of the market. So as you all know, in calendar we need to sell the ATM and then we need to go to the next month expiry and then we have to again buy the ATMs. Okay, so by this we are getting a calendar. And if at all we look into this calendar, we can see that the break even is 21,221 to the downside and almost 22,125 on the upside. What it basically means is that almost close to 2%, if the market stays in the range of 2%, we will make profit in the sideways market. But in case if the market moves above that, we'll start making loss. So now this is where we have to pitch in our directional trades. So what I'll do is I'll just open one more duplicate. And in this, what I'll do is I'll be taking Bank Nifty. I'll take the same expiry, that is Jan. So you all know as of now the expiry is on Wednesdays. So since Nifty is starting on Thursday, we'll start off with this on Thursday as well. The time taken here is 9:16, so I'll take the same time. We can take it at the end of the day also, but presently, since already taken at 9:16, we'll continue the same example in Bank Nifty as well. So you can see I have taken 9:16 on the date also. You can see the same Thursday, Jan 4th in Bank Nifty. Now we are going to take the directional trades in Nifty, in Bank Nifty. So what is that we are going to do? Kindly observe. I'm going first into the call side. You can see. I'm taking in the money buy option at 443. I just have to look into the half of the premium, that is 220. A premium which is close to 220. So I can see 243 is something which is close. So I'm going to sell one Bank Nifty at 243. Again, I'm just going to go two strikes away and then buy a Bank Nifty. So you can see here in this way, we are getting a directional move in Bank Nifty. The same way, we come to the put side and we buy one in the money. And then we look into the half the premium, that is half of 373. So we're looking at around 180, which is almost equivalent to our half. And we are selling that particular option. And then two strikes away, I am buying for safety. So now in this particular case, you can see that Bank Nifty we have taken for a for a directional benefit. In case if the market remains stagnant, our concept is that we need to make money in the Nifty calendar spread. And in case if the market is moving violent, we can see that Bank Nifty starts making good profit. Now comes a small twist. we have to make sure one thing very important. Here you can see that the maximum loss is 7,395, and here you can see that the maximum profit is 17,196. This is what you have to observe very, very clearly. In case if the market remains stagnant also, so let's say if particularly if market is at same price, that is 21,500, if it remains here, Nifty will give you a profit of close to 17,000, whereas Bank Nifty is going to give you a loss of 7,395. So this parameter you have to always observe. You have to make sure that the profit in this location in Nifty is greater than the loss in Bank Nifty. So in this particular case, friends, you can see that we are having a loss of only 7,395, but here you can see that the profit is close to 17,000. So what we can do is we can double the quantity in the Bank Nifty. So I'm just doubling the quantity in Bank Nifty. So you can see still the loss is only 14,000 if the market remains stagnant. But in the case of Nifty, you can see the profit is close to 17,000. This is the most important rule which you have to observe. So this depends on your premiums, on your volatility, and many things. So sometimes what happens is that when you double the quantity in Bank Nifty, you might not get the same kind of profit in Nifty. So in that case, we need to do the adjustments. We need to do a little bit of modifications that I will explain to you in the next part how to do that. But there's a thumb rule which you need to follow. Okay, so the simple concept is that in case if the market is going to remain stagnant, the Nifty is going to give us very good profit, and whereas Bank Nifty might make us loss, but overall when the market during the time of expiry, we are going to be in profit. Second scenario which can happen is that the market can go up. So you know that if the market goes up, we have double the quantity in Bank Nifty. You can see the blue line, it starts picking off. Even if the market moves immediately tomorrow, or if it crashes immediately tomorrow also, you can see the blue line picks up immediately. And then you can see that we start making very good profit in Bank Nifty because we have double the quantity which is there in Nifty. So in that way, what happens is that we'll make very good profit in Bank Nifty, and then we'll start making a small loss in Nifty. So it will give us very good profit. In the same case, when the market goes down as well, you can see that Bank Nifty will give us double the profit, whereas Nifty will give us a small loss, which again we can mitigate with the help of adjustments. I will teach you how to do the adjustments as well, right? So this is the most important concept which you have to remember. The maximum profit over here in Nifty must be greater than the maximum loss which we are having. Look into that. Okay, now you might ask me, coming to the second part now, what in case if this is greater? Then we just have to start moving the call prices and put prices. Okay, I'll just show you a small example here. Now this is 14,790. By just moving, you can see that the loss is coming down, just come down to 13,000. So this is how you can play around with your call and the put. You can see here again the loss is coming down to 12,000. So this is how you can play around adjusting your strikes. Okay, small adjustments, small tweakings will give you optimized result and is very good to trade. Okay, now coming to the adjustment part, there is adjustments in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty which you can do. But initially, if you're a newbie and if you're starting off this trade, initially I would recommend you to do adjustments only in the Nifty part, that is in the calendar. So this is a calendar where you sell the latest expiry and you buy the next expiry. Okay, so in this only you do the adjustments. What is that adjustment which you have to do is that whenever the price reaches near the break even, okay, so in this case you can see the break even is close to 21,221. So what adjustment you need to do is just you have to keep moving both the strikes to the particular ATM. That's it. In case if you are having more funds, if you have extra fund, what you can do is that you can buy one more calendar at the break even. These are the two adjustments which I generally follow. I usually don't put all my capital into a single trade. So what I do is initially I take this position, and when it reaches the break even at this particular point, I add one more calendar, so that even in case the market reverses also, I'm not going to make a loss, and the Bank Nifty also will be supporting me. Friends, most of the time, almost 70 to 80%, you can say 90% of the time, market Nifty and Bank Nifty will be in synchronization. But worst to worst case, sometimes there might not be a synchronization, but still you need to keep a very hard stop loss. That is, when your loss reaches 5% of your total capital, you need to exit all your positions. Don't wait till the end of the expiry. This is also very important. Wait just in case if the market reaches 5% of your maximum capital, that is the loss is going to be 5% of your total capital, You need to exit all your positions, come out of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. It can happen. It's not that it will not happen. It will happen. And let me tell you, this is a very slow and steady strategy. It will really make you feel bored. That is why I told you it's for working people, because you will not have much of your time. This is not suitable for intraday people. It's only for positional people. In case if you're working, you're not able to get regular income from stock market, then you can definitely try the strategy. If any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. And friends, the most important thing which I told you, don't forget to press the like and also the subscribe button. It really motivate me to come out with new good strategies. Thank you and have a nice day.